A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back again in online class. So this is the video of your computer class, class 4, chapter 2, part 8. And the name of the chapter is GUI operating system, graphical user interface operating system. Okay. And the topic which covered function of operating system, that is what are the function of operating system, window 10, about window 10 1.0 also, and 10 also. One student asked the doubt in the comment section, sir, what is the difference between window 1 and window 10? There is nothing any difference, but this is the advanced version of operating system. Okay, window 1 is the first version of window operating system, then it advanced, but that means some features are added, then change the name. Okay, that means window 1, okay, window 7, window 8, window 10. Now taskbar, you already know about the taskbar. When you have any type of problem in the taskbar, ask your doubt in the comment section. Okay, from the next part I have take the class from Google Meet also. Okay, so be ready with that and all of you learn it. Firstly, you learn all these things. I listen to all of you that how many questions you learn. Okay, only one topic are left. No, sorry, there is no any topics are left. Today is the last part of chapter 2. In the next part we discuss about that question answer, and also you learn all these things. Okay, and notification area also completed. And here the last topic about that customization, the window environment, in which you see about that three major changes. First one is changing the desktop background, which discussed in the part 7, and two options are left, that means changing the date and time and how to set volume of the speaker. In this part these 2 points are covered, and also I will see you in my laptop how to change date and time in the laptop or computer system. Got it? So we will start that. Changing how to customization of window environment. This is the topic in which three parts, three options. First option completed, changing the desktop background. Today we start changing the date and time, then setting volume and speaker. Okay. Now these are the steps how to change date and time in the computer and laptop. A student, I requested before summer vacation your chapter completed. Okay. After summer vacation only 2 or 3 classes. When after that your unit test will be start. So after summer vacation you learn this chapter 1 and chapter 2, because these classes, when I take that classes, it's complete revision classes in which you ask your doubt. I have given you time 20 minutes or 30 minutes, then you clear your doubt. After that I will ask some question and you also clear my doubt. And one more thing is very important, like when I say some question to you, like I ask that question, how to change date and time. Okay, like I name the student, one student, please tell me the answer. Okay, but another student only ask the question to me but don't say any type of answer. So I only say the answer to that student who learn all this topic. Okay, those students who not learn this topic, I will not clear your doubt in the Google Meet class. So firstly learn, because when you not learn you have no any problem. When you read the book then you have some problems. Got it? So this is very important, and there are so many MCQ question in the unit test. So read out book very deeply and learn all these important points. So today is the last part of this chapter. Then we start the exercise question. Now come to how to change date and time. So here are 4 steps to how to change date and time. So first step, right click of the icon of time and date which present on right side of the taskbar, that means in the notification area, where the notification area are located in the taskbar. Here you see that date and time are available. So you go your pointers at the date and time, right click on that. After when you right click, there so many options are available. You see the image here. I will show you the image. The first option, toolbar, adjust date and time, customize notification icon. Okay, so there are so many options, but this is the topic about the change, that means adjust date and time. So select the option number 2, adjust date on and time. Okay, when you click on that, then what after? See. Second step, turn off the set time automatically slider by the dragging it to the left. Here you see the slider in which you slide it off or on, like when you use a mobile phone, you slide the data, mobile data on or off. So before set the date and time, firstly off the set time automatically, because by the default it when you on this slide, the date and time set automatically with the help of internet. So off this. So here you see it in the image, second option. This is the second step. Third option, click on the change button under change date and time section. Here is the option of change. When you click on that, a window panel application is open on your desktop, like change the date and time format. So the last 4 steps it's look like here. Okay, choose the desired, like here date, you want to set the date, you can set the date. Okay, wait. So here you can change the date, then you can change the month, then you can change the year, and here also time given, you also change the here time and date. Got it? Now after completing this process, you will click on change. Your time and date will be set. Like I want to change my date from 30 to 28. Click on that slide, 28 options are available. Click on 28, automatically set it. I want to change the month July to December. So click on that slider and select December. I would not want to 2019, I want to show 2021. Click on that slider and select 2021. So these are very easy points. Got it? Now, how to change the volume of a speaker. Okay, this is very easy to all of you. I think you all aware about that. When you use your mobile phone also, you want to increase or decrease your volume button, then you press on that. In a screen there is slider here comes, we can up the volume increases, when you go down the volume decreases. So like that in your computer or laptop, when you click on the speaker icon, so when you click on that, this type of figure will open. After that, when you left side of that speaker, the volume decreases. When it will be go through the right side, the volume increases. So here the steps. To set the volume of the speaker, click on the volume icon in the notification area. It is also present right side of the taskbar, that means notification area. Second option, this display a slider that can be dragged towards left or right to decrease or increase the volume level. By the help of this, you can increase or decrease the volume. Got it? So your chapter completed. All of you learned this chapter, and from tomorrow class, uh, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, in 3 days you complete learn it and solve page number 25, 26 and 27. Okay, execute option A, B, C, D, E. Then I will match the answer of this all question. Now see how to change date and time. I will show you in my laptop. Here, see the students. Here the date and time. It's not clear, but here date and time are available. Okay, I right click. See, there are so many options available. The second option, adjust date and time. Click on that here. It's automatically here off. When I on, it's changed. So it's in off position. Here option change. Now the third step, click on change. See that. Now I want to change the date. Like I want to change here August. Right, August. I want to change date like 22. I want to change 2020. Got it? I want to change time. So you can easily change it. Got it? After completing, you have click on change. Then it's complete the process. Because when you not click on that, the process not completed. Okay? So this is how to change date and time. Now, here, see that. Here the speaker level. Now, I want to click on that. Now, see that. Left and right. You can drag easily left or right to increase or decrease the volume level. So this is very easy to all of you. Got it? I hope you all understand about that. So thank you, my dear student. We will meet in the next part. So thank you, and I requested to all my dear student, please learn it, chapter 1 and 2.